Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see numerical on mode. Okay, so we have this example. A researcher conducts a mileage economy test involving 80 cars. So we have 80 cars data. The frequency distribution describing average mileage per gallon MPG appears in the following table. This means 15 to 20 mileage for 15 cars and 20 to 25 mileage for 30 cars and so on, and evaluate modal location. So we need to find mode. Simply we need to find mode. So this is kind of continuous data, and in continuous data I have explained already 4 situations: simple and repeat, extreme and continuity in data. So in this case highest frequency is this 30. So 30 is only one time, not in starting, not in last, and no repetition, and but there is discontinuity in data, just like this 15 and 15 to sudden increase, high increase and then sudden decrease. So this 30 is not, for this 30 we can't consider this as simple situation. So for this, first task is what? First we will prepare grouping table, second we will prepare analysis table, and then we will apply formula, as this is case of continuous type of data. So grouping table 15 to 20, these are intervals 15 to 20, 20 to 5 and so on, and this is first frequency column, and we can say original frequency of first column. Now we will prepare grouping table. In grouping table what you will do? You will prepare group of 2 2. I have already explained this concept in mode. So summation of this 15 plus 30, that is what 45, and summation of this these next two 16 and 10, that is what 26, and summation of this 7 and 2, that is what 9. And now we will find summation after leaving this first element. So on leaving this first element, these two 30 plus 16. So 30 plus 16, that is what 46. Now next is 10 and 7, that is 17, and no other group, only one element is left, so no need to write. Now we will make group for 3 elements, 15 plus 30 plus 16. So this total is what? 61, and you will write in mid, that means in front of this 30. Now next 3 are what? 10, 7, 2, this total is what? 19. Now next grouping after leaving this first element, so next 3 are 30, 16 and 10, and total is 56. So we will write in mid, this means in front of this, and no other grouping because only 2 elements are left, so no need to write. And for next one we will leave these first 2 elements and grouping of these 3, this 16, 10 and 7. So summation of this 16, 10 and 7 is what? This is 33. So we will write in mid in front of this 10, so this is 33. Now all these values, all these column, we will focus on maximum. So first this 30 is maximum, in second is 45 is maximum, in this third column 46 is maximum, this is 61, and these all are maximum. Now we will put all these maximum locations in analysis table. So we are rotating this table horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. So in this first column, this 30 is maximum, and this is for 20 to 25. So first column value is for 20 to 25. So we can mark 1 here. And for this 45, this 45 maximum is for this 15 and 30. This means 15 to 20 and 20 to 5. So for this one and this one. And this 46, this 46 is the summation of this 30 and 16. So summation of 20 to 25, 25 to 30. So for this third one, this is, and for next this 61 is the summation of first 3. So first 3 intervals are these, and this 56 is the summation of these 3. So 56 is the summation for these three, and this 33 is summation of this 16, 10 and 7. So we will consider these three intervals 25 to 40. So this starts from 25 to 40. Now we will find summation of these columns. So summation of this is 2, this is 5, this is 4, this is 2 and this is 1. So this quantity is maximum. This means this 20 to 25 is your modal class. This is considered as what? Modal class. Now we will apply formula, and we have two choices of formula. First is this, second is this. If this formula fails, then we will apply second one. So we are applying first one, and your modal class is 20 to 25. This means this is the modal class. This class is modal class. In this modal class, this quantity is considered as L, and this quantity is considered as F1, this quantity is considered as F0, and this quantity is considered as F2, and gap between 20 to 25, that is what I. Now we will put all these values in this formula. So L equals to 20, this one, and in formula F1 minus F0, F1 is 30, F0 is 15, so this equals to 30 minus 15, and this divided by 2 into F1. F1 is what? 30 minus F0 15 and minus F2, that is what? 16, and this multiplied by interval 20 to 25, interval is of 5. So this is what? 30 minus 15, this is 15, 15 into 5 75, and this is 30 into 2 60, 60 minus 31, so this become 29. So this numerator term is 75 and denominator term is 29. So we can calculate using calculator. So this is 20 and this quantity is 30 minus 15 into 5, that is what? 75, and this denominator quantity is 29. So mode is what? Mode is 75 divided by 29. So that is 22.58. This is 22.586. So this is mode. Now we can identify this is valid or not. This means formula fails or not. So your class interval is, your modal class is 20 to 25 and your answer is 22.58. This means this answer lies in this modal class. That's why this is okay. So no need to apply this second formula. If your answer is less than 20 or more than 25 for this modal class, then in that situation you will apply alternative formula. You can't apply alternative formula directly. First you need to apply always this first formula. So I hope you understand this concept. Please like this video, subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.